I think one misconception is that operators expect, in the US, especially in the Western world, operators are really individualistic, right? They expect to be able to do things their own way. And oftentimes that goes against the ethos of industrial engineering, where you're trying to standardize processes as much as possible. In practice, when you have these kinds of tools being deployed, one concern that operators have is, hey, are they going to expect me to do things in this specific standard way? Because I like to do things my own way. I want to move those bins over to this side and use those bins this way. I'm left-handed versus right-handed. I'm shorter than the industrial engineer who designed this process, and it's less comfortable for me, so I want to rearrange it in my own way. What we tell them is, actually, with Kaizen Copilot, the reason your operators are often not following standards is precisely because those standards are not built with them in mind. They're not comfortable personally for them. And oftentimes they've not been in the loop with why those standards are being designed. And what we are able to do with Kaizen Copilot is help industrial engineers and line leaders arrive at standard work that is both highly efficient but also comfortable for the operator, and then move on to that, to really using Assembly Copilot to ensuring that that standard is followed. So one misconception is that it will essentially be less comfortable of an operation for me to perform, because right now the morning shift operator will redesign the operation to suit them. The night shift operator will again shuffle things around a little bit to make it more comfortable for them. And they're completely right, right? If it's not a well-designed process, it's not going to be comfortable for everyone. Whereas a well-designed process should have worker comfort at the center. So, Kaizen Copilot is really, our AI is really able to help them achieve just that.